Hi, so here I'm gonna make some rivets for the windows that surround this World War II L4 observation plane. You can see the rivets around the back windows. And I'm gonna use these metal strips here. Here we go. Put it in upside down. The spacing is all marked off. There's 1, 2. Goes pretty fast. And there's the final product right there. You can see the rivets look pretty good. And got a bunch more that I've already done here. Thanks for watching. To make these rivets, first I smashed a round ball. You could use a ball bearing or something down in this aluminum block as the female part of the rivet die. And then you can see in here I've used the tip off of a dial indicator to make the male part of the punch to form the rivets.